Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've got a Lookfantastic June unboxing and I am holding my camera with my hands, so apologies if it's shaking. I was going to film upstairs, but the bedroom is in a right mess, so I thought, you know what? I'll come downstairs and do it this way, like vlog style. This box was kind of gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. As this is a June box, it is not available until the 1st of June. If you subscribe now, because their May box sold out, you'll receive a mystery box. So if you want to subscribe to the June box, the box that I'm showing you in this video, then you will have to wait until the 1st of June. Now, Lookfantastic kind of gave me a code last month. I'll see if I can get another code for June. If so, I'll pop that down below in my description, and as soon as the box goes live, I'll post it up everywhere on my socials, Instagram, Facebook and everything. If you can hear screeching, that's my puppy. I might have to bring her in a minute. If you're new to Lookfantastic, I'll just give you some information about the subscription, but if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what's inside their June box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. So Lookfantastic is a monthly beauty box that ships worldwide, and it costs £15 a box, and it contains 6 beauty products. Everything you can think of: makeup, skincare, nail care, sometimes perfume, sometimes freebies as well. They offer a monthly subscription which you can cancel any month, plus they offer a 3, 6 and 12 month at a reduced price. Can you hear a fly? Oh my gosh, it's doing my head in. As well as monthly subscriptions, they also have limited edition boxes, and they brought out a few recently, and they're bringing out a Sol de Janeiro, which I can't wait. That's coming up soon. There was a sneak peek, was it in last month's little booklet? I can't remember now, but that should be soon. So as soon as I spot it, I'll post it up everywhere. There's always sales on their website. If you weren't already aware, Lookfantastic have a massive online beauty store. They've given me a code to share with you, which you can't use against the beauty boxes, but if you want to do a Lookfantastic shop, you're welcome to use it. It's an affiliate code, so it means if you use my code, it won't change what you have to pay for the item, but it means that I get a little bit of commission, and that's Diary LF, and that will entitle you to up to 25% off site-wide. Basically, there are some exclusions, but not many, but you'll find that code down below, as well as links to the subscription and any new limited edition boxes. Underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So I think that's it as far as information goes. So let's get on to opening this up. I haven't got a clue what's inside. I haven't seen any spoilers, anything. It just arrived. So inside we've got a little booklet, the edit, and in here details everything about the products inside the box, so I'll refer to it as we go along. Sneak peek for July. July is by Terry Hyaluronic Hydra Powder. I'm assuming it's not the full size, because that's like 40 odd pound. No, it's probably a little mini one. But still, it is amazing. I absolutely love it. I've got 2 shades. I've got this one, which is clear. It feels amazing on the skin. It feels a bit weird. It feels like it's wet going on your face, but it's not. It's just, oh, I just love it. Really love it. And I've got a tinted one as well. We're going to get 4 grams, so whatever size that may be. I don't know. Okay, any more limited editions? No. Just give you a sneak peek first. Is it TikTok? Is it TikTok trending beauty secrets? Trending this June? Maybe it is. It says, like fashion, beauty trends come and go with the changing of the seasons, but lately we've been compelled by the trends that face us every day in 3 minutes or less. Clips that we scroll endlessly, often before bedtime. It's these TikTok trending beauty secrets that have inspired this month's collection. Okay, starting off, we got some dots for your face. These are blemish dots by Disciple, and they're called What Spot Dots. Hydrocolloid spot stickers with salicylic acid, and there's 12 in there. Every time I receive these in beauty boxes, I pass them on to my children. You may already know, but I'm on medication to control my acne. I've got polycystic ovary syndrome, and yeah, so thankfully I don't have acne anymore. So anytime I receive this, I give it to my children. They're teens, and unfortunately they do have spots. So yeah, so I'll pass that on to them. But what can I tell you about it in the booklet? These spot dots are the perfect quick fix solution for stressed out skin. Calming redness, protecting from infection, and injecting a boost of natural salicylic acid to help detox block pores. hydrocolloid. Is that how you say it? Hydrocolloid? I don't know. Draws impurities to the surface and spreads up the spot's life cycle whilst curbing post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. So that's the first item in the box. Next, we've got a product from Nooks. This is Very Rose, a 3-in-1 soothing micellar water. It removes makeup, cleanses and softens, and there's 100 mils here. I've actually got this upstairs already and it is lovely. Now, you may already know I cannot stand rose scented products, but when it comes to like micellar waters, which you just use to wipe your makeup off your face, clean your face, freshen your face, etc., then I don't mind, and it's not a bad scent. It's not bad at all, but yeah, it just feels really nice on the skin. I do really like it. So look in here, a calming formula designed to cleanse skin without drying it out. Ideal for lifting build-ups as well as stubborn pigments. The micellar water purifies your complexion, leaving it comfortable and nourished. There's that. Next, we've got a product by Bubble Tea, and this is Body Scrub Watermelon Body Scrub. Gently polish your way to smooth skin with this exfoliating watermelon body scrub. And there's 100 mils there. Oh, I'm gonna have to sniff it if I can. Oh, it's got seal in it. Hold on. Using one hand is not great. I had to use my teeth, and now I've got a blob on my lip, and I got a blob there. Never mind. Yeah, it is definitely water. Oh, flipping Nora. Oh, yeah, not great licking it. Ugh. Yeah, it's a nice smell. It is nice. So, gently polish your way to glowy, smooth skin with this exfoliating, sweet-scented watermelon body scrub from Bubble Tea, suitable for vegans. So there's that. I've just noticed something. For the last couple of months, I believe since the beginning of the year, they've only shown in the booklet the first 4 products, and the 2 could be random, but there's 6 here. So it looks like we might all receive the same 6 this month. Possibly. Let me know when you receive your box if you are a subscriber, or if you decide to subscribe. Yeah, I'd love to hear if you got anything different. So next up, we've got a product by Gatagno, and this is limited edition Radiance Enhancing Enzymatic Gommage. Radiance Gommage. 15 mils there. What is a Radiance Gummers? A unique balm to oil enzymatic exfoliator with AHAs including glycolic, lactic, malic acid, hyaluronic acid and vitamin C reveal a renewed and naturally radiant complexion, the perfect exfoliator for sensitive skin and for those experiencing breakouts, clogged pores, dull skin, uneven skin tone and pigmentation. You leave it on your skin for 1 to 2 minutes and then you rinse off with warm water. That does sound really nice actually, radiance enhancing. But gommage. Yeah, I should research more. Next, we've got a IKON Brow Gel. This is Style and Define in clear. It's a little mini there. Now, although I don't really like their mascaras, they don't do anything for my lashes. I've had a load of them in different beauty boxes over the last couple of years, and I've tried a few different variations, and I just don't like it at all. But their brow products are fab. I had a brown brow gel, or I have got it, it's still upstairs, and yeah, I really like it. I was really impressed with it, so yeah, I'm really looking forward to trying that. A clear brow gel. I like a brow gel to be really stiff so that my brows stay put, because even though I've got hardly any there, and they're fine, they don't stay up well with certain brow gels. So we'll see. Lock brows in place with IKON Clear Brow Gel. Waterproof and stronghold. The setting gel is designed to set brow hairs in place for up to 24 hours. This is sounding great. I really hope this works on my brows. Lastly in the box, we've got a product by Lottie London, a metallic eyeshadow in Golden Hour. I'm gonna have to open this up, hold on. This is the eyeshadow. It is really pretty. Hopefully you can see there. Oh, this is a nightmare, I promise. This will be the last time I do a video like this. But it is a really pretty shadow. Now normally I'm not that keen on loose pigment shadows, but this one is quite buttery smooth. It's a gorgeous bronzy colour. I do really like it. Give your lids an extra glittery look with the Lottie London Power Foil, a sparkly product that adds a metallic sheen to the top of any colour. Apply quickly and reap the benefits of intense pigment without needing to add multiple layers. Those are all the products inside June's Lookfantastic beauty box. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. So we got a Bubble Tea body scrub, We've got a Nux 3-in-1 Cleansing Micellar Water. We've got a Gatagno Radiance Enhancing Gommage. We've got an IKON London Clear Brow Gel. We've got some Blemish Spots by Disciple. And lastly, we've got a Lottie London, a gorgeous bronzy loose pigment eyeshadow. Yeah, I'm really happy with this month's box. The box cost £15 and I love this. I've already got one, so I've got another one. This body scrub, it smells nice. Bubble tea is hit and miss with certain products of theirs, but yeah, body scrub, I really like it. I always body scrub coming into these months now because I do a lot of fake tanning. Really excited to give this a go. I wonder if I've ever tried it. I might have tried it in the past. I haven't got a clue. But I'll give it a go and see what it's like on my brows. Yeah, this sounds gorgeous. It sounds really nice, whatever a gommage is, but the rest of it makes sense to me and it sounds great. And then the eyeshadow, it is pretty, but I'm not sure if I will actually go for it, you know? I don't know. I'm just not that keen on loose pigment. I don't really use a lot of loose pigment with my makeup. But yeah, and the spots, I'm going to give that to my children or keep it in the bathroom for them. So yeah, so thank you for watching. I'd love to hear what you think of this month's box or June's box. Are you going to subscribe or are you already a subscriber? Are you looking forward to receiving these products? Or are you thinking, nah, it's not for me? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But before I go, I'm going to introduce you to my very noisy puppy. Hold on. Say hello, girls. This is not my puppy. This is my 9-year-old, nearly. Maisie. Where's Molly? Where's Molly? We got another one down there. Yeah, she's annoying, isn't she, Maze? She will be 5 months old this weekend. And yeah, she's gorgeous. Molly, come here, bud. Molly. Amazing, amazing, beautiful. He's a good girl. No, I'm not interested. Never mind. Well, thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon. Bye.